Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? It's Pip Surfer again with another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Today is the 1st of December 2009, means Christmas is around the corner, so hope you guys are all staying busy with some shopping and just getting into the holiday spirit. But I'm just going to go ahead and get right into today's update. Stuff to cover. First off, the disclaimer is just to say that if this is your first time watching this video, you're going to want to click on the link right above it that says if this is your first time, read this first. Click on that link. It'll give you the rules of the system. Read it, learn it, digest it, and then come back to the videos, because then it'll make a lot more sense. Otherwise, you will get lost. So that's just my disclaimer there. I say that at the beginning of every video. And now we'll get right into the update. Again, we've noticed a lot of up and down movement, a lot of range-bound movement, especially with the Thanksgiving holiday coming around. And today, again, was no exception. So what I have up now is my 15-minute chart and my 4-hour chart. I'm going to open up my 4-hour chart first so we can look at our overall trend. And this is what it looked like before midnight. Again, remember we had that trend change candle in the middle of yesterday's session, which changed the trend from up to down. And it stayed like that until the beginning of our session today. So at the start of our session, again, we were only looking for short trades because of that trend change candle yesterday. Only looking for short trades. But again, if I move my chart forward again, once again we had another trend change candle in the middle of our session. This was the 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. candle. RSI's above 50, stochastics are trending up. So at the close of this candle, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Time, we did get a confirmation that a new trend had taken place, and once again we went from down to up. So after 7 a.m. The trend changed, and now we were only looking for long trades, okay? And then I'll just move it forward, and you can see that the trend remained up the rest of the day. So once again, we had another trend change right in the middle of our session, and that has been happening the past few days or so. So you got to kind of be careful. Again, keep that in your factor when you're trading. You know, sometimes you might want to just stay out during these times. You know, it's really up to you. You got to determine your trading personality. You know, if you're aggressive, then these times, you know, can be kind of dangerous, but again, that's why we have the system in place to keep us out of a lot of trouble. So that's it for determining the trend. Now I'm going to look at my 15-minute chart, and I'll move this before midnight again so we can see what it looks like. And before we start, of course, we want to take a look at our news events. Now you could just go to Baby Pips, click on this Tools tab. It'll pull up news events for the day. Just make sure this time zone is on your time zone that you're living in, so that you have the right times. You don't want to have a wrong time there. That would just throw you off. And again, we're just looking for news that affects the sterling or the dollar. One news event that I forgot to put on the post yesterday was the nationwide house prices for the sterling. That was at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Hopefully you don't solely rely on my post, but you have to take a look at the news events for yourself, because that's really the only way to justify or to verify it. So 2 a.m. we had the nationwide HPI for the sterling. Again, at 4:30 for the sterling, we had the PMI. And then if you scroll down, we had a bunch of news events at 10 for the dollar. So you just want to write those times down. So again, today it was 2 a.m., 4:30, and 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And you just want to jot that on a notepad or put it on an alert somehow, just to let you know that those are when the news are coming out, and you don't want to be in the market during those times, okay? So now it's before midnight. I know at this point I'm only looking for short trades, all right? And now I'm ready to begin my day, so I'm going to move my chart forward one candle at a time, just to show you what I see during the day. And remember, we're looking for short trades. News events not until 2. It's about 1:30 here, so just waiting on that. There's the 2 o'clock candle. Okay, we see a crossover for the upside, but at this point, remember, our trend is still down. That's all we see that on our 4-hour chart. So we're still only looking for short trades. Okay, it's 3 a.m. here. We know news is coming out at 4:30. Okay, price is starting to move up. Okay, here's the 4:30 candle. There's the news. Again, we're still only looking for short trades at this point. On our 4-hour chart, we're probably seeing the formation of a possible trend change candle, but remember, it doesn't actually confirm until that candle closes. So we won't actually know until 7 a.m. when that candle closes. And right here, this is the 7 a.m. candle. So actually right here at the close of this candle, I look at my 4-hour chart and I see that a new trend change candle has formed, and now my trend is changed from down to up. So from this point forward, I am only looking for long trades now. Okay, so I'll again move the chart forward. Okay, and here's the 8:30, nothing there, no news candle. We're just continuing to move forward. 10 o'clock, this is our news candle for the dollar with all those reports, so nothing, we don't want to trade anything there, even if we had a signal. Again, we're still only looking for long trades, but this market is just completely bullish today, and we're not seeing anything because it just continues to move in that uptrend. Okay, so that's pretty much the action for the day. Once that market started moving up, it never retraced back down for us to get into an entry, so nothing happened for us, but that's okay. Again, we can't get a trade every day, but you just want to make sure that you're in the best possible situation to enter the market. So nothing going on today, and if you didn't get anything, then you should feel good, because that's exactly what you should have seen. If you did get into a trade, you might want to reevaluate and see what happened during those times and why you might have entered. But again, if you have any questions, that's what this blog is for. Just post it on the blog or post it in the forums. Again, thank you so much for the help that I'm getting. It's awesome to see other people helping other people. Great thing to see. So feel free, again, ask any questions, no matter how beginner you might think it is. That's the point of this whole blog, so don't go it alone. But that's pretty much it for today, and I will see you all on the next update. Cowabunga, dudes.